How to connect with anyone on LinkedIn. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect with anyone on LinkedIn easy and fast in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do is go to linkedin.com and log into your account. Now after you log in to your account, choose the person that you want to connect, and I choose this one for example. All what you have to do is go to more option on his profile or her profile, click on more, and you will find the connect option. Click on it and don't forget to add a note, because the members are more likely to accept invitations that include a personal note. Click on add note and write something, for example, and click send. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.